In just 3 years, Apple's proprietary M-series chips have revolutionized the computing landscape, prompting traditional Intel-reliant laptop manufacturers to explore ARM-based silicon options, predominantly from Qualcomm. With the M2 Max setting a benchmark for performance, Apple has now introduced the M3 series with the highest tier M3 Max chip, further extending its lead. I've been extensively testing the 16-inch MacBook Pro powered by the M3 Max, and it's an absolute powerhouse, offering desktop-level capabilities within a portable framework. The physical design and size of the 16-inch MacBook remain unchanged, except for a new darker gray variant dubbed Space Black. Being the primary distinguishing factor, the 16.2-inch display has been slightly enhanced in brightness, albeit with a subtle difference. The mini LED panel maintains its impressive contrast ratio and color accuracy. Notably, it retains a generous array of ports for an Apple laptop, including 3 USB-C, HDMI, and a micro SD card slot. While maintaining a premium build, the machine weighs 4.8 pounds, slightly on the heavier side. However, if you're familiar with recent 16-inch MacBook Pros, the appearance remains largely unchanged, with the new chip being the highlight. Apple's MS series chips not only emphasize raw power, but also efficiency. Being akin to smartphone chips in architecture, they are compact, integrating computing components efficiently for improved performance and synergy. This ensures reduced power consumption and sustained peak performance. The M3 Max continues this trend. In my usage involving tasks like word processing, handling multiple Chrome tabs alongside Spotify, Slack, Twitter, and Adobe Lightroom running concurrently, the M3 Max operates without slowdowns or excessive heat. Even when editing 4K videos on Final Cut Pro, while there might be occasional warmth, the fan doesn't kick in and the machine maintains seamless performance.